Welcome to the V2U Research Daily Market Wrap for Wednesday, March 4th. Today, the S&P ASX 200 index declined 1.94% to close at 8,901.20, its largest fall since April last year. The index has fallen approximately 2.49% over the past 5 trading sessions, retreating from record levels seen in late February as volatility returns to the forefront. More than $60 billion was erased from the Australian equity market's capitalisation today, reflecting a broad-based weakness that impacted all major sectors. This follows a volatile session on Wall Street, where the S&P 500 and NASDAQ showed signs of exhaustion, setting a cautious tone for the entire Asia-Pacific region. At V2U Research, we've been monitoring escalating geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, which continue to drive volatility across global risk assets. Domestic pressure followed the release of stronger-than-expected data. Australia's GDP expanded 2.6% year-on-year, triggering new debates on inflation. Investors are now weighing local GDP data against the potential path of interest rates, carefully watching both the RBA and the US Federal Reserve's next moves. The weakness was regional. In South Korea, trading in the Kospi was temporarily halted after reaching its daily circuit breaker threshold following a sharp fall. Commodity markets were mixed, with iron ore prices easing as investors assessed rising freight costs linked to geopolitical developments. Materials led declines amid weaker iron ore prices. BHP Group closed 3.5% lower as investors pivoted toward defensive positions. Gold-related stocks were volatile following bullion price swings, while energy softened, with Paladin Energy falling over 7.5% during the session. Financials extended their losing streak to a 5th session, with ANZ closing 3.7% lower. Travel-related stocks like Virgin Australia also remained under pressure. Telecommunication services recorded the smallest sector decline and remains a pocket of relative strength, up 1.7% over the last 5 sessions. At V2U Research, our mission is to provide you with expert data-driven analysis to navigate these volatile markets. Our research team dives deep into the figures to give you a clear edge. From a technical perspective, the index continues to trade above support near 8,683.7, while near-term resistance is noted around 9,202.9. The RSI currently sits at 4480, indicating neutral momentum conditions within its recently observed trading range, according to our latest technical scan. Looking ahead, our team is monitoring US ADP non-farm data and domestic trade balance figures for the next major market catalyst. If you found this V2U Research Market Wrap useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for daily expert insights. Thank you for watching, trade responsibly, manage risk carefully, and we'll see you in the next V2U Research Market Update.
Disclaimer: the information contained in this publication is general in nature and has been prepared without taking into account your objectives, financial situation, or needs. It is provided by Titan Security, holder of Australian Financial Services, license number 307040. It is not intended to constitute personal financial advice. Investing and trading involve risk, and past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. You should consider your own objectives, financial situation, and needs before acting on any information contained herein. You should also read our financial services guide and, where relevant, the product disclosure statement and target market determination issued by the product provider. These documents are available upon request. Titan Securities accepts no liability for any loss or damage arising from reliance on this information.